We'll be explaining a brief introduction on the spouse visa and partnership routes, including the eligibility to qualify for this visa. Hello, my name is Ayat Robin, and I'm one of the immigration lawyers based with the team. So, on a brief introduction of the spouse visa. A UK spouse visa is a route for individuals who are married or in civil partnership with someone who is a British citizen or settled in the UK. This also applies to those in an unmarried partnership, provided they can demonstrate that they have been living together in a relationship akin to marriage for at least 2 years. The visa enables them to join their partner in the UK and stay for a prolonged period with the ultimate aim of indefinite leave to remain. To be eligible for spouse visa, the applicant must be at least 18 years old and in a genuine relationship with their British or settled partner. They must also be able to demonstrate that they intend to live together permanently in the UK. In addition, the sponsoring partner must meet the financial requirement, which varies depending on their employment status and other factors. If the sponsorship partner is employed, they must earn at the minimum £18,600 prior tax. And if there are any dependent children, the financial requirement will be increased. If the sponsoring partner is self-employed or a director of a limited company, they will need to provide additional financial evidence to meet the requirements. This can include tax returns, business accounts, and other financial records. In certain circumstances, the sponsoring partner can rely on savings to meet the financial requirement. However, the minimum savings required is £62,500, and the savings must have been held for at least 6 months prior to the application. The financial requirement is a critical component to the spouse visa application, and it is essential to ensure that all requirements are met to avoid the risk of refusal. The applicant must also demonstrate their English language proficiency by passing an approved English language test. Furthermore, they must have suitable accommodation available for themselves and any dependents without the need for public funds. Finally, the applicant must not have any serious criminal convictions or pose a threat to national security. Now I'll be speaking on the conditions of their stay and the route to indefinite leave to remain. Once granted, the spouse visa allows the individual to stay in the UK for 2.5 years initially. During this time, they are allowed to work and study in the UK. They must also maintain the relationship with their partner, and the applicant will need to extend their spouse visa prior to the expiry date if they want to continue living in the UK. After 5 years of continuous stay in the UK on a spouse visa, the individual may apply for indefinite leave to remain, which allows them to stay in the UK without any time restrictions. Once they have obtained ILR, they may be eligible to apply for the British citizenship, subject to meeting certain requirements. If you have any questions about the UK spouse visa or need assistance with your application, please do not hesitate to contact us. Our team are here to help. You can also check out our eligibility test and knowledge base, which is dedicated to this visa category and provides comprehensive information on the eligibility requirements, application process, fees involved, and other important details. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.